Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benidorm Crazy Marcus here once again with another video. Got me new Liverpool on one of them. If Jamie's watching, this is the one he couldn't get me, so Jamie, don't worry, I've got it now. Happy days. All three of the shirts I wanted. Mike's with us as well.
Hi guys, how you doing?
First time out filming for the Royal
Seen the ages guys, I don't know if I know how to do it still.
Everything.
The lights up there, Mark, the lights up there.
Yeah,
The Christmas lights, I should imagine.
no, I don't know, cause
One up there.
yeah, I know that. If you could see that. Oh wait, no, I've like it down here. There it is. The wire got curled up. Whether that will probably, I don't know. Maybe that is for like Fiesta lights when they put them out. I really don't know yet. Maybe. Although hoping it'll be a bit darkish.
Anyway,
but
onward my friend.
Yeah, onward. Ain't that Matt Masters line?
All the wild side's using it now as well.
Is he? No. Well, I keep forgetting my catchphrase, which of course is another day in the office, another day in paradise.
Down there.
Yeah, all the bars down here. You got Starbucks, then a few Spanish bars. Here's one for you. Anyone remember when there were a Costa coffee on the Fancy Seafront? Apparently it was somewhere down there.
Yeah, there used to be one down in Rincon, wasn't there? Then one McDonald's somewhere down there.
I sort of remember it a bit, I just can't remember the area. Sort of that period. I just can't remember whereabouts, because someone were on about it the other day. Anyway, while we're here, R.I.P. to the Prince of Darkness, Ozzy Osbourne. Never listened to any of his music, but I've seen a few of his sort of funny vids.
You don't want to do that, Mark, he swears, you know.
I don't know.
Sabbath.
I'll talk.
That was one of the songs, mate.
Right, yeah, sadly he passed away the other day. I think it was 76 though. Pretty good age, to be
I'm going to get past that, Marcus. Just to annoy you.
Gonna cross over. Looks like for first time for a while the full tin cans working. When you've had enough of your walk, guys, you just want to lie down. Bless. I think he's tired. One thing I love about Benidorm is all the adorable dogs you get over here. Something that's supposedly making its rounds, but I haven't seen yet, is a kid's car, like one of the battery-powered cars, but remote controlled, so like, of course a parent can drive it, but instead of kids in it, it's got 3 dogs in it basically, just like sat chilling, and it's just going up and down the seafront. which
New to Benidorm this year?
probably not. It's probably been going a while. We just ain't seen it. But I mean,
Let's get out more, Marcus.
it looks kind of cool and cute. But at the same time, you are kind of thinking, oh, like, surely dogs need exercise, like, surely they need to walk. But hey ho. I mean, Benidorm's a place where you see a dog riding a scooter. So yeah, it's not new really. Yeah, pretty busy tonight down on the Med actually, and whoever said Benidorm's dead must be crazy, because I mean, well, you've said it, Mike. Some other people have also said it, who I shall not name. But yeah, Benidorm isn't dead. There's coaches coming in with tourists on a daily basis. And well, like, does it look dead down there to you guys? Like, if Benidorm were dead, like, most of the places down here wouldn't be open. I mean,
Loads of money, Marcus. Coming in
yeah,
Benidorm.
loads of money coming into
Loads of
Benidorm. Tons. I mean, yeah, I guess you can say it isn't as busy as it normally is in July. You could say that, I suppose.
It's busy enough up here.
Busy enough up here, but not by much. But I mean, it has been hot this July, which, as I said in my video the other day, does kind of worry me about Christmas. Like, because normally the way it works, we have a good Christmas, sort of crap summer, good Christmas type thing. Michael, check temperature now. Have you seen it?
Right, 8:45, guys. It's only 29 degrees tonight. A bit cooler tonight. 29 degrees.
That ain't too bad though, that ain't too bad.
It feels boiling hot out here.
I mean, Mike's in Hawaiian shirt, I'm in just a top and shorts. I mean, we'll still be going swimming when we get back later, so can't be that bad, can it?
Should we get in?
Yeah, if we get in, I mean, 29ish of a night if it is a cooler day, but I mean, we have been seeing about 30ish of a night if it's higher, but
We'll bend and get you.
anyway, where was I here? It can get higher than 30 of a night on me. We've seen 34, 35, and that's at 8:15, so yeah. But I mean, it's soon gonna start cooling down. August, it may still be a teensy bit hot, but
August will be alright, September will be alright.
yeah, September it may cool down though, because coming into your winter.
It could be good now till
I don't know.
Christmas.
Could be, yeah.
Yeah, go a bit
Fingers
cooler at
crossed.
night,
I'll tell you, I'm gonna say it now. Christmas dinner
Go on.
on the balcony,
What temperature?
2025. for
temperature?
Christmas.
Yeah, for Christmas Day. 30 last year.
32.
Oh, you come for 32. Ah, there I go where. Yeah, I'm going for 30. I'm sticking it in my 30.
I mean, it's happened before, guys. It's happened before.
That's a lot of Christmases.
I mean, I wonder what it's going to be like whether I come fancy dress fiesta. I mean, if you've been fancy dress fiesta before in Benidorm, you probably already know that typically, dare I say it, it absolutely pisses down all day at times.
We've only had one bad year since we've been out, haven't we?
Yeah, I
And that
think
was quite a good year because it rained till about 1, 2 o'clock.
then it eased up
And it
for
eased
the
up.
parade.
No, we had a bit of rain last year, didn't we?
No.
That started on the right.
Did it?
Yeah, because remember we went to Walking Tavern.
No,
I don't remember doing the filming there.
no. I didn't film in Morgan's Tavern.
No, I did.
Oh. No, that were on a night we went out filming down the street.
No, then
It was?
in the day. I think it was there, didn't it?
Oh, I don't know.
Might have been
No,
Easter or
it
something.
weren't. Anyway, hopefully this year will be same again. It'll be a nice
Getting as bad as your mother.
day. And hopefully busy as well. Mind you, I still need to get me costume ordered.
Where are you going to go at?
A luchador, hopefully, if it all works out.
Is that one of them new sandwiches?
No,
No.
a Mexican wrestler, Lucha Libre. My plan, hopefully, is to be the fat version of Penta. If you've watched WWE or AEW, but
I'm scared all the people off now. Man.
the mask I need is about like €80, I think. And to top it all off, I think it gets delivered from America or something. So
You know,
I ain't that talented. Fantasia Fairground open of an evening now again. What? Yeah, I'm saying it. Actually,
that way.
oh crap, yeah, sorry guys. Fantasia Fairground actually open once again, guys. Funny place that as well. Big YouTube channel, the Side Man, called the Rent Film Hunter, promoted it, but it was closed.
I don't know, like promotion, they'll be shut next month, won't they?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Yeah, you've gone over.
Really?
Yeah, August.
I thought August was the time when Spanish come over.
Yeah, that's where they're going over.
Good point. I mean, August next month. Sort of month if you're at the local bars do tend to shut. Mainly your British bars, cause
Yeah, Leroy's going next month.
yeah, Cafe Leroy's will shut next
shut for-
month.
Just for the month.
Because they're going to
okay,
visit
normal.
some family, so enjoy if you're watching, guys. A few other
Right,
places
UK.
might shut as well, just more of your British bars. Because, not to be racist here, but
No. Think what you're saying, lad?
apparently the Spanish don't really spend much and they tend to avoid the British bars.
God, I thought you was coming out with something big then, Mark. It's not something everybody knows.
Anyway, gonna end the video. here if I can. There we are. On Avenida del Mediterráneo, the fancy seafront that way. Rest of Avenida del Mediterráneo that way. Take your first right for Calle Girona and Rincon then that way. Old Town just that way. So yeah. Anyway, I'll see if I can. Yeah, I'll see if I can do a video where I remember my catchphrase. It's another day in the office. It's another day in paradise. Adios.